In this video, we'll look at a situation where tax files save in the previous year tax file folder. And in doing that, I'll show you when this issue comes up. And we'll also discuss how Profile does determine where to store files. Let's go have a look at Profile. I'm in Profile now, and I'm in a 2021 T1, and I'll demonstrate the issue that I'm trying to discuss in this video, and then discuss more about files and where they're saved. Okay, I've got this 2021. If I go up to properties, I can see it's saved in the 2021 T1 folder, and that's what we would want. So press OK, and if I right click, I can carry forward, and now I have the 2022 return. If I go up to properties again, I see it's in the 21 folder. But with it being a 2022 T1, we would want it in the 2022 folder. Now, let's see how we can figure out what Profile was doing and how to fix this. So what I can do is go to Options, Environment, and I can look and see that Profile is in fact using the 2021 file folder. Now this is not what we wanted or would have expected. We'd expect it to be in the 2022 T1 folder. So let's change this. I can click on the ellipsis and then look for 2022 T1, and now I've changed the folder. So I would have expected 2022 T1s to go in the 2022 T1 folder. So this is what I want, and I'll lock it. When I lock it, it won't change unless we unlock it and change the path. So I've got the correct path now, file path to the file folder. Now let's see why it did it in the first place. If I go up to Options, Module, there is an item here, carry forward files to the same location as previous year. Now when this is checked, it'll do just like it did here. It put the 22 T1s in the 2021 folder. So let's uncheck this. So that's resolved the issue. We uncheck the checkbox and module options, and now we've got the correct path to 2022. So let's try another one. I can carry forward 2021, pick one here, and I've got this 2021 return, and I'm going to right click and carry forward. Okay, I have the 2022 return. I'm going to go up now to properties again, and it is showing. So that issue where it was going into the 2021 T1 folder is now resolved by the steps we just went through. We still have an issue that I have the 2022 file in the 2021 folder. So what you can do is just right click and cut any of these files that you have in the wrong folder. Go back to Profile Data, and then I'll put it in the 2022, paste it there, and there we go. I got all the 22 files together. I hope you found this video useful, and you can find more support options at the website, Profile website. It's profile.intuit.ca.